KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my chicken meatball and spinach curry. Sounds a little bit strange? Nah, it tastes amazing. Let's get on with it. Alright, first thing we need to do is make some chicken meatballs. Easiest way is buy some chicken sausages from your supermarket or your local butcher, and all we're simply going to do is squeeze out these little balls out of the sausage, just like I'm doing there. How easy is that to do? Just squeeze those out and try and keep them all around about the same sort of size. The reason I use a chicken sausage, it's already got its flavors and seasonings and salt in them. We don't have to do anything to them at all. Okay, so squeeze those out as I'm doing right there and lay them out on a baking tray. They go into the oven around about 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees, and you'll have the perfectly cooked meatball. I've got an onion. I'm just going to simply take the top, tail and skin off, give that a rough chop like I'm doing here. I'm cutting these into around about a medium sort of dice. Right, they can go straight into a little bowl like that. And if you have everything prepped beforehand, it does make the job a lot easier to do. And if you've got a couple of larger bits, just run your knife through them and cut them up to size. Alright, very simple. You can use a white onion or brown onion, it doesn't really matter. There's our onions all ready to go. Our meatballs are already cooking. I'm going to get a nice knob of butter. Nothing is better than butter in a curry. That was a bit of a tongue twister there. So put that straight into a saucepan, fry pan. I'm just going to use my big wok because it's better for filming, and I'm just going to put my onions straight in with that butter, and we're going to cook those off until they're sort of translucent-ish. Okay, I'm going to add in a little bit of garlic paste and a little bit of ginger paste. Beautiful marriage made in heaven. Give that a bit of a stir around like I'm doing right there, like that. And here I'm going to add in some garam masala. I'm going to add in a little bit of cumin powder, and again some coriander powder as well, around about a teaspoon and a half ish of all of those. We want to toast those off, give that a little bit of extra oil like I'm doing right there, and just cook those spices off for around about 60 seconds or so. Right, we don't want the real rawness of those spices. I'm going to add in, here we go, a little bit of garlic paste, around about 1.5 cloves worth, like that. They can go straight in. Just cook that off nice and gently. We don't want to burn that at all, so just give those a nice little bit of a stir around. Okay, and the smell on this little curry is already starting to come to life. A little bit of water won't hurt as well. Give that a little splash, give that a little bit of a stir, and we can get ready to start cooking proper. I'm going to add in a 200-gram pack of frozen spinach. That can go straight in. Nothing wrong with using frozen spinach. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is add in around about 2 tablespoons worth of tomato paste concentrate, like that, and it's going to give that a real nice sweetness and fruitiness. Okay, so keep stirring that through. You can see that spinach defrosting as we go, and all we're going to do now is add in a little bit of coconut milk. Put that straight in, give that a good stir, and that coconut milk is going to give it a real nice subtle flavor. Okay, so add a real nice creaminess as well. So add that in. As you can see, we've got that beautiful sauce happening, and if you can't smell that, oh wow. We're going to cook that off for around about another 3 to 4 minutes. You can see the color has changed, and we've gone to a nice rich darker color. We're going to add our meatballs in. Look at those little meatballs that we've just cooked in the oven for 20 minutes ish. Add those straight in, give it a good stir through. Oh, I wish you could smell this. It really does smell incredible. Now this whole meal would have cost me around about $6, maybe $7, and will feed a family of 4 quite easily. I'd say just give that a good stir through. These are really weird times that we're living in, and we need to be budget conscious at times. So we've cooked that off for around about another 4-5 minutes, and I'm serving that up with a little bit of rice. And how good does that look for around about $6-7? Making a meal like this doesn't get any better. I'd love to see you try and make this one at home. It tastes amazing. It smells incredible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. I'm trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. Love reading them. Love responding to them. Hit the notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to make something on a shoestring budget just like this, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat this amazing chicken meatball and spinach curry, and I will catch you next time.